Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rossy Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. This video is about how to make a rosette badge with paper for Father's Day. This is easy and simple for kids. Let's make it together. Take two paper of size 7 cm into 30 cm. Now mark 1 cm. And fold it in a zigzag manner. You can alter the size, pattern and color of the paper as per your need. Now maintain the same width till the end. And also repeat the same process with another. Then join both the ends. After joining the ends, do press it tightly. It should look like this once it's done. And now your rosette paper badge is ready. I hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture or videos of your crafts in my DMs of Instagram. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.